Here's a special one for you today. 2 icy ships cross paths on the St. Mary's River 4 days before the Soo Locks closed for the season. Upbound is the R Tregurtha, Queen of the Lakes, and downbound is the Algoma Captain Henry Jackman. Captain Henry Jackman is a fairly new ship, arriving in 2021. It's Algoma's 10th Equinox class ship, sized to just barely fit through the Welland Canal system. It's 740 feet long, 78 feet wide, and can carry 39,400 gross tons of cargo. Equinox ships are designed to be efficient and maneuverable, able to go to nearly every port from Thunder Bay to Montreal. Canadian ships tend to carry more wheat and grains than ores, so the smaller ships suit Canadian fleets better than the larger lake-lock vessels like the R Tregurtha that she's about to pass. While both ships are massive, Paul definitely dwarfs the Captain Henry Jackman when they're side by side. R Tregurtha is 1,013.5 feet long. She's the longest ship ever to sail on the Great Lakes, and she's far too large to ever leave them. Built in 1981, she was the last of the 13-footers built, and will likely be the last ever 1,000-foot-long vessel ever built on the Great Lakes. It almost looks like Paul might need a tissue. She's got a little something frozen to her nose. The Queen mostly carries iron ore and coal, mostly from Superior, Wisconsin, down to large steel mills. She's got some fairly new scrubbers on her exhaust, which greatly reduces the amount of sulfur she emits. I captured this footage on January 11th, 2025, just 4 days before the Soo Locks closed for winter maintenance. I still have footage to go through from a few ships while the shipping season hits pause: the James R. Barker, Philip R. Clark, Tug Dirk S. Vandercourt, and Michigan Trader, as well as some footage of the Algoma Innovator and Algoma Bear. Consider subscribing so you don't miss those. I'm going to make a video every other week. For the Algoma fans, check out the Algo Canada, Cutting Through Calm Waters, and for big ship fans, check out my stubby video, the first ever footer.